Hey guys, today's video I have two mystery boxes over here from GLOSSYBOX. I'm going to be unboxing them, find out what kind of products we have in here, so I'm quite excited. Now each of these boxes we're going for €80, so I have the bundle, the first one called French Beauty Secrets and the other one is called Unknown Destination. So I have both of them here. Let's go ahead, unbox them, find out what kind of goodies we have. I'm already excited and I'm hoping that they are the boxes that I haven't unboxed yet on my channel. So first box is here, you guys. I did already opened them, both of them, but I haven't looked inside to see what kind of box we have. Anyway, so that is that. Let's go ahead and oh, okay, we have a design box, you guys. It is not a normal pink box, so let me just take that out. And this looks very interesting. Birthday edition. Oh, I don't think I unboxed this on my channel. I know I have unboxed the 2020 but I don't think I have unboxed this one. Oh, have I don't remember at least. But anyway, you guys, this is how the box looks like. Looks stunning. I love the design. All right, let's have a look. And the inside looks like this, you guys. Okay, opening that up, and over here we have a magazine, of course. They always do in every gloss box. We do get a magazine, and inside here we have all the products, and definitely it's not English, so I'm guessing this is the French version maybe. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just unwrap this. I love the packaging, you guys. The pinkness here looks really cute already. Let's have a look. First thing is first, sneak peek. Oh, okay, that is how the inside looks like of this one. So the first product I see is from Cetaphil, that's how you pronounce it, gentle exfoliating cleanser. All right, now I must say that I have never tried this one here, so I'm quite excited to give it a try. That is our first product. It is a huge bottle, you guys. 178 milliliter of product. Wonderful. Okay, so it is suitable for dry, oily or combination skin, and use it for the face, of course. It says right here. Okay, first product is this one. We will definitely give it a try. One thing for sure is we have some English, you know, information over here, so I will read about it. And yeah, all right, next up we have a palette, Bang Beauty. Okay, an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go ahead and just open it and have a look how the product looks like. So first of all, this is how the thing looks like. Of course, I will show you how the inside looks like. So this is how the shades looks like, you guys. You can see all the eyeshadows in there. All right, wonderful. It seems like I have already something like this, you know, within my eyeshadow palette, so I might either pass this one away. All right, next up we have some beauty product here, and they are revitalizing eye gels. Okay, this one right here, you guys. That is the next product. I actually like this eye mask. Okay, I cannot wait to use them. So that's how they look like right there. All right, next up I have this product here from BC Bonacure, and it is their pH 4.5 color freeze treatment for colored hair. All right, this product right here, that is what we are getting. Of course, you can see. Okay, that is that. All right, oh, we have one more product, last one. Okay, so this is something that I already have, you guys. It is an eyeshadow brush from Luxy. Actually, you know what, I'm not going to open this one. I'll just show you mine, you guys, because I have mine sitting over here. It is exactly the same brush. So this is the new one in this package, and I have mine right here. You can see I use them quite a lot. I have like 3 of those from GLOSSYBOX already, but they are really good when it comes to blending eyeshadows. So yeah, I might either pass this one away because I think I have more than 2 of these. I have quite a few of them, and yeah, I really like them. So yeah, new one will stay unopened. So that was everything in this birthday edition box, you guys. I will definitely be trying the goodies, and I think for €8, I mean, the product looks quite good, so I cannot wait to give them a try, in all honesty. All right, let's move on to the next box over here. Shall we find out what's inside? Maybe it's another special box. Let's have a look. Dala. Oh, okay, we have the normal pink box this time. All right, so let's have a look. Still, you never know, it could be something already exciting that I don't have already, haven't unboxed. So hey, the moment of truth. Let's find out together. The moment of truth, you guys. What kind of box is this? Oh no, the power of beauty. I think I have already unboxed this on my channel. In fact, I might have already more than 2 boxes of this on my channel, because they did have mystery boxes before and I bought them. I think I had a repeat of the same box. So yeah, the power of beauty. This is this right here, and I believe this one is also, it's not from Germany, it's from another country, probably France. But yeah, this is how the inside looks like. And what I will do, you guys, is that if I already have something, I'll definitely either, you know, give them away to friends and family members, or do a future giveaway. So yeah, look out for that. But anyway, let's have a look. Or sometimes it could be the same, you know, the power of beauty, but from a different country. Maybe it's like a different product in there. I have no idea. But first sneak peek. Oh, okay, I see product that I already have. For example, this mask over here, you guys. In fact, I already used one before, and I have another one sitting here. I wanted to do like a skincare video later, but this is the first product from this box, you guys. It is a soothing plus hydrating face mask, and actually the one that I wanted to, you know, to use is this one here. You can see I have both of them, so exactly the same from GLOSSYBOX. So yeah, this one I'm going to pop it away so that I can, you know, give it to somebody. Next up we have this product here, you guys. I'm going to link the video where I have unboxed this box in particular down below. Go check it out for more information. But anyway, so this one is daily concept, and it is their day reusable rounds, which you can, you know, use to remove your makeup. You can chuck them in the put them in the washing machine, and they are reusable, which I like. So yeah, again, I have mine over here. I just have all this makeup, you know, products sitting over here, so I have them next to me. That's why I'm showing you guys. But yeah, you can see, I'll quickly show you the one that is open already, mine. See this one here, it's only one in here. I already used one, I don't know where it is, so usually it's 2 inside. But yeah, this is how it looks like, you guys. It is this softy, fluffy looking cloth that you can use to remove your makeup. Quite soft, and they do wash very well, I might say. You know, when you remove your makeup, you can even wash them by hand, but I usually put them in the washing machine. I find that they wash very well. But yeah, that is that, you guys. And next up, I have this product from Vessel. It is their hydrating serum with niacinamide, which is this one here. Again, I absolutely actually love this cream, you guys, this serum. I have it right here. Hold on, where's my skincare product? I have it somewhere over here. Yeah, here we go. That's mine. You can see it's already been squashed. It means that I have been using it, and this one is the new one right there. So I actually like this one. It's really hydrating, and yeah, absolutely amazing. I love it. And another one that I love from this company is this one. They are a nourishing cream. It's niacinamide as well. So I use this one here, and I do use this one here, and now we have a backup. So yeah, definitely this one I will give it away. All right, next up here I have this product here, extremely moisturizing for dry skin and lips. It is a mouth balm product from Cooking, you guys. This one here, again, I have like 3 or 4 of this. I have one, in fact, sitting over here. Look at that, exactly the same product. And I'll quickly show you mine, which is already open. Hold on. Yeah, I'll show you mine. It's this one here. It is already open, of course. I did use it before. You can see inside, that's how it looks like, and it's quite lovely because I use it for my lips. I use it for any area that I feel like I need to add a bit of moisture. Of course, I use this product here. It's lovely. I actually like it. I don't mind. Doesn't have much of a scent to it, but it actually leaves your lips moisturized, if you will. So amazing. again, that will be you know, be given away. All right, we have 2 more products in here, you guys, and this one is a gel hydro hand sanitizer from Topi Cream. This product right here, again, I have already 2 of those from GLOSSYBOX, from my previous boxes, you guys. So yeah, it's another product that will be given away. Last but not least, in this box we have a cleansing bar from Dr. Botanicals, and this one is avocado and cucumber natural cleansing bar, which is this one here. Again, I have already this product. In fact, I did have like 2 or 3 of these. I already gave one away, and this is the new one. So yeah, I will definitely give it away. I don't know where mine is, so I don't want to open this one and show you guys, but it is just you know, a soap, a cleansing bar that you can use for your, you know, for your face, which is quite lovely. And of course, yeah, that is that, you guys. That was everything in this box. I might say that even though I already have the products, I mean, they thingy that with mystery boxes, you just never know what you get. It could be boxes that you already have. So I have, you know, this box already unboxed, and I have the product like triple or even, you know, lots of them on my channel. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Let me know what you think of these 2 boxes for €8 each. I think the products inside are worth more than that. I'm quite excited, especially for the birthday edition one, this one here, to be trying the goodies in here, because you know, the majority of them I haven't tried, apart from that makeup brush. The rest, they are like new products. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching today's video. That's it from me. I shall catch you all on my next video. Bye for now.